In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add projects on LinkedIn so you can effectively showcase your work projects to potential employers or collaborators. This is a great way to enhance your professional profile by providing tangible examples of your skills and accomplishments. Let's get started and make sure your profile truly reflects your professional journey. First things first, you'll need to navigate over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're not logged in automatically, locate the sign-in option and enter your credentials. LinkedIn serves as a powerful professional networking tool, so having an up-to-date profile is crucial for making the best impression. Now that you're logged in, you want to head over to your profile by clicking on your profile icon. This icon is usually displayed at the top right of your screen. Selecting it will prompt a drop-down menu where you'll want to click on View Profile. This action will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page. Remember, this is the section of your profile that anyone visiting your page will see, so it acts as your first impression. Once you're viewing your profile page, locate and click on the Add Profile section button. This button can usually be found somewhere near the top of your profile, and it's your gateway to adding a wide array of new information to your LinkedIn profile. After clicking Add Profile section, a drop-down will appear. You're looking for the Recommended tab in this menu. Click on that tab and then you'll see the option to Add Projects. Click on that to move forward. Projects are particularly valuable as they provide context and depth to your experience, showcasing specific skills or results you've achieved. Here, you'll be prompted to fill in the details about the project you wish to add. Take a moment to think about what you want to emphasize. Consider including the project title, an overview, any relevant links, and perhaps a brief description of what your role was in the project. Carefully filling out these details can provide a comprehensive view of your capabilities. Once you've completed filling in the project details, make sure everything looks correct and hit the Save button. This action will securely add the project to your LinkedIn profile, making it visible to anyone who checks out your credentials. As a final step, a pop-up window will appear, confirming that your project has been successfully added to your profile. It's a small acknowledgement that your hard work is now represented in your professional persona. And there you have it. You've successfully added a project to your LinkedIn profile. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps you create a more engaging and informative professional presence on LinkedIn. Keep your profile updated with your latest achievements, and happy networking.